Alright, this video is to give you a tutorial on how to use this robotic arm to make your customized dice holder. Alright, we have
Benjamin Wally.
Ben here to show you how to use this. So what should we do here?
We'll restart the machine so it's starting from a fresh start. So there's a research on the manual controller, and then we go over to here. I'm going to switch over to manual mode, and we want to do master reset.
Yep.
Then we want to keep going over to the second arm, reset again on the manual controller. Then one more time from auto mode to manual mode, and then do master reset.
Yeah, that reset is very important. Make sure you reset all 4 different devices every time before you start a new job. Okay. All right, then what's next?
Then we're going to go over to production. We're going to do schedule a batch. Now from here, we're going to choose out from the programs. We're going to start off with tutorial, and then you can see how it's going to print out my name in this case, first and last.
Make sure you put quantities.
Just set it to 1 in this case, and then press go. And just
You
run
want
out.
to save the change,
Yes.
save changes.
Save changes, and then go to previous, and then system.
All right.
Now from here, we can switch over from manual mode to auto mode. There, and we can go to cycle start.
Yep.
Then we go over to the other arm, and go from manual mode to, and then cycle start.
That's cycle stop. Okay. All right, then we don't have any parts inside of this
Yes.
machine. So where to grab the part?
You can find them in the bin near the machine. There are blank parts in here. Just reach in, and then you'll find them right here. Now you have to load these in a way it'll like it. So in this case, you have to make sure that the machine part is not in the laser area. It's the unmachined component.
So make sure that red dot is on the top surface of this dice holder.
Yes.
Okay, then one more thing we want to check is we should have all the dice loaded in this dice holder thing here. You want to make sure all the sensor lights are turned on. If one of them are off, you want to load it more dice inside until all the lights are turned on. Now the machine will just do its thing. And now it's in the laser etching process, and this will give you a better view if you have this light turned on. So I can turn it off to give you a comparison.
The machine also relies upon these sensors right here that will detect how far or close something is to it, and that's a safety feature so you don't get hurt when it's running. And you can see how it's indicating right here by the lights. In this case, it's flashing that red up and down. That's indicating that we're too close to the machine at the moment. And we back up, it goes from orange and then to when its running lights are.
Okay, so every time when you try to run those robot arms, you want to make sure there's not people or objects around the machine. So make sure it is clean in front of the machine. So now our FANUC robot arm finished sorting the dice, and it's finishing up the program. All right, go ahead. All right, job is done.
We got our finished finished part.
Have your name, have all the dies sorted in correct order. So what's next?
Next, we'll set the machine into manual mode.
Set it back to manual mode.
And do this for the same over here. And from there, and do reset, 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 and reset. Now just clear for the next round.
All right, we're all done here. Good. Thank you, Ben.